What the heck?
Did a bird just hit the window?
I think so.
She thinks it's down there.
That's Sebastian's attention.
Did a bird just hit the window? Like I said, kitten bitchy face.